guys, Mina here. Welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you are a regular. Hi guys, so as promised in my last video, I am going to test out my new wheels. So last night I put new wheels on my skates for the first time in a year since I've owned these skates, and I'm going to test them out. This is also the first time I've been in this tennis court because I just moved house, so I don't know what the floors. It feels okay, but we'll see. So I just thought I'd bring you guys with me as promised today. It's a lovely summery morning. It's like 7:30 a.m. and yeah, it's boiling already. Okay, I'm finally ready. Gearing up takes so long, and as someone pointed out, I don't look cute in my gear. But yes, I'm gonna actually get on these new wheels. I'm a bit nervous. I haven't had new wheels in so long. So let's see how it goes. Oh my god, so one of the wheels fully just came off the skate. I had a feeling this would happen because one of them was a bit like the way the screws on the actual like setup are, one of them's a bit longer, so it's a bit odd for the wheel to fit underneath it. It's hard to explain, but I'm gonna try and fix it back, but this could be a problem. Oh no. This is what I mean. You know, these sort of, I think this is called the axis underneath the skate. It has these little screws which keeps the axis screwed to the boot, and these you see are, this one is quite short so it leaves lots of space for a wheel, but for some reason this screw is like longer, so it's hard to like get the wheel underneath the skate, which is very odd. The rest are all fine, it's just that one out of all the whole setup, all the boots. So it seems a bit weird. I don't know. I remember hearing that people had problems with wheels coming off this particular skate when I went to the skate park once. So I don't know. I'm gonna try like screwing it just on the edge so it's not like all the way up to there, but it doesn't seem safe. I don't know. So we're back with this. So yeah, I basically had to give up and I put back the old wheels again, which are just the white ones. I put the new bearings in the old wheels, cleaned them up a bit, and I'm gonna have to deal with it for now, but I'm thinking I either need to buy some new boots entirely that allow you to put on outdoor wheels, or find a way to shorten that screw, but it seems like quite technical and probably not worth it. So I'm probably just gonna like save my coins and get myself a pair of like Moxies or something. You know, the Moxie Beach Bunny skates? Oh, they're like my favorite. I really want a pair. Anyway, they are like a few, I think they're like 3 times the price what I paid for these, so it's a sticky one, but I'm hoping to get those instead. So yeah, I'm now skating inside my apartment on these. I can't even show you. So yeah, I'm on the original wheels again, and they are, you know, doing the damn thing they were always doing. So yeah, that is literally my annoying, disappointing video. Conclusion to me trying to change my skate wheels the first time. It's a no this time, but I'm gonna get it right next time, or I'm gonna get myself a new pair of skates. Either way, I'll keep you guys posted on these, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.